fresh legs pa yung tatlo na yan. Get one! Get one! Dexter! Pressure the ball! Wala, baba, baba!
That was it, Jax. That was it.
Kuha ka foul! Kuha ka foul!
Hindi na pa sila nagtatakbo. Hindi tumatakbo yung oras. .999. 999.
999. Suspension pen kasi eh.
Nagkokos kasi doon.
Dalawa yung roll ko eh.
Yung possession tama?
Tama. Ginay-ginina. So ngayon sa ano na? Sa
Coach assistant. Run down! Yes! Oh.
first legs pa yun.
Four fouls.
Second team pa. 4 fouls na yan. Attack! Shooter yun, huwag ka magkalala.
He wants it.
Ha?
Hindi na nakausap ko dito yung anak mo, nanginginig ko. Oo! Ganun din si Shannon dati.
Ninergap?
Oo, nanginginig yun. Hindi naman nervous, kundi na ano siya na... Naninervous na na-excited. Oh, one more! Swing it!
Excellence! Oh, tayo na sa 63 seconds. Good foul! D, back on D, Bran!
Sandali! Sino yung foul? Good
Ilang team foul na? Ha? Dalawa? Sa dalawa yung... No. Yeah. Ilan yung team foul? Tama ba? Isa lang.
Lamang pa rin sila. Dalawa lang.
Get one!
1 minute and a half.
Sub!
21 foul.
Got it.
21.
Oh, wow. Oy! Pwede pa.
Natay nila yun. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga anak.
Oh, no.
Dex! Ilang foul na sa'yo yung team foul? Ha? 3. 2. May timeout pa kayo.
Mga timeout pa kayo.
Pag nag-time out, remind mo lang yung man. Remind mo lang yung man, tsaka...
Coach siya, assistant coach.
Dexter!
Jax demanded. Jax, they're looking for you.
Get the foul, get the foul.
And like, yep! It's okay! Run it! Run it! Yeah! Smart. Yun! No fault? Okay! It's okay! Look at that!
That's good, that's good. Balik, balik.
That was the right decision.
Yeah.
Do that again.
Ano ba?
No, show.
No, no.
Go.
Dito. Kuha na may depensa mo.
Yep!
Sige! Go! Out the way! Dalawa! Anong
3:28. 28 seconds.
Eva.
Ha?
3:28. It's a close game, man.
3:28.
Yeah, 3:28.
Ano ba minus?
Man.
Ha?
47 ba yun sa'yo?
Ito minus, oh. Minus.
Wala.
2 minutes.
3 minutes, 2 minutes.
3:23 nakita ko.
28. Kasi umaandar eh. Yeah. Yeah, they're ball. Sila ba nag-time out? Sila. Isa pa lang. One more pa time out yung ano, di ba, Gray? Yeah, one more pa yung Gray, one more. Nagawa na yan. Siya na yan. Kaya naman yung bulihin lahat eh. Nandyan o. Yeah! Push. 53 push. Yeah, push.
It's 3. Tama na.
Wala. First foul.
Why did you do that? Uy! Hindi, reset daw every quarter.
Ilan na yan?
Ha?
Ilan na yan?
Apat.
4.
Apat.
Sulit sa clock!
Apat. One foul each na lang ang ano nila. Apat na lang. Apat.
foul nyo!
That's the last one, right?
Yeah. Last timeout. No more timeout. Hey. Pass. Huwag niyong itakbo yung bola. Nagpe-pressure na sila. Pasa yung bola kamo, pasa yung bola. Huwag pagtagal sila ng tao. May isa pa sila. Dito wala na.
Dapat na sila, no?
Get one right away. Wala isa oh. Vlog. Sleeping. Penalty na rin. Apat na, hindi pa kayo penalty. Penalty na kayo pag bumawi. Orange. Red. Ito red arrow. Buksan tulog. Hey guys, wise decision. That's fine. Pag nag-foul kayo, penalty na rin eh.
You don't have a foul to give.
Yeah, no foul to give, yeah.
Hey, 47.
Jacks. One more foul, no penalty.
Dikit up. Ha?
May 3 seconds tayo matitira ha.
Sa shot what?
Oh, advance na.
Advance.
Asher.
Clutch! Tinatao si Jax. Yun lang. Ikot!
Who fouled who?
Dexter fouled.
Then it's penalty. Let's give it 2 seconds.
I didn't even move.
Nice, penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty. 2 shots.
Make it ano. 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
No. Wala nang 10 seconds. 3 seconds lang. Yeah. Eh, 3 seconds ba? Oh, Jex. Come here.
It's okay. It's okay.
You celebrate too early, Jex. You celebrate too early. With 3 seconds. Wala na. No time out.
Watch, we won't make it.
They're the referee, so... Get the rebound.
Yeah, you
May
gotta
3
box
seconds
out.
pa. May 3 seconds.
Yo, everybody there.
Hey, may 3 seconds pa. Run. Ano yan?
It's my fault.
It's not your...
It's in. Nagko-coach kasi tayo.
Hindi ko napaandar eh.
Nanonood. Excited.
Pero hindi, 3 seconds naman yung tira.
Science!
Right?